In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the unexpected error with the login session in League of Legends. This is a common issue that many players encounter, and it can be quite frustrating when you're ready to jump into a game. But don't worry, with a few simple steps, you'll be back in the game in no time. First off, let's start by closing the League of Legends client completely. Make sure that it's not just minimized, but actually shut down. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve many temporary glitches that cause this login error. To ensure it's closed, look for the League of Legends icon in your taskbar, right-click it, and select Close Window. Next, verify that it's not running in the background. You can do this by opening your Task Manager. On a Windows PC, you can right-click your taskbar and select Task Manager. If you're on a Mac, use the Activity Monitor found in your Applications folder under Utilities. Once in either of these, scroll through the list of processes, and if you see any instance of League running, select it and click on End Task or Force Quit to close it down completely. After you've confirmed the client is shut down, the next step involves refreshing your internet connection. This might seem straightforward, but it's imperative because a stable connection is crucial for online gameplay. Go ahead and disconnect from your Wi-Fi or unplug your Ethernet cable, wait about 30 seconds, and then reconnect. This brief interruption can often clear up any network-related hiccups that might be contributing to the login issue. Once your internet connection is stable, launch the League of Legends client again. This time, make sure to run it as an administrator. Doing this gives the game the necessary permissions to function correctly on your computer. On Windows, you can do this by right-clicking the League of Legends shortcut and selecting Run as Administrator. If you're on a Mac, just open it as you normally would. It's important to wait for the client to load completely before attempting to log in again. If you're still encountering the issue, the next step involves checking for any new updates that may be available for the game. Sometimes, errors occur simply because the client isn't up to date. You can check for updates within the game client itself or by visiting the official League of Legends support site for any patch notes or updates that have been released. Download and install any that are available, because these often contain important fixes for known issues. Lastly, if all else fails, consider restarting your computer entirely. This fresh start can fix a myriad of problems beyond just the login error. Once your system is back up, try launching League again. Remember, technical issues can be a hassle, but with patience and the right steps, we can usually find a resolution. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to leave a comment if you have further questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.